My story is not dissimilar to many students at CNM. With me, it was my dad who had cancer. He's well now. He actually was offered an operation and he chose that route, and now I can help him with prevention, which is also great. That's what got me into naturopathy, and a friend of mine suggested a few courses at CNM at that time. I did some cooking classes, a short naturopathy or nutrition course, and then herbal medicine, which I liked the most. The whole idea started with a spa. I was fascinated with the spa culture in Asia and the appreciation of massage, of its therapeutic benefits, how healing it is, detoxifying for the body, immune boosting. And then when I moved to the UK, I kind of failed to find the same consistency of service and the interiors and the whole journey, everything coming together, and I wanted to create a spa. Cloud 12 is a wellness and lifestyle club in Notting Hill with 5 main businesses under one roof: spa, salon, brasserie, wellness clinic, and a big area for families with kids. It's about lifestyle and mindfulness and all other elements, so having all practitioners working together in my view really helps to kind of improve results and provide a very comprehensive diagnosis and support from a variety of different ways. So CNM really helped me to shape my vision for the clinic. Using herbs really gives us kind of this unique aspect and differentiates us from other wellness clubs. So I think CNM really gave me that USP, and I'm very grateful.